Hello and welcome. I've already created this flow, so in this video, we'll walk through it step by step and explain how car payments are generated from a rental agreement. Before running the flow, you can see that there is no payment on car name Thar. We start by creating a screen to select the rental agreement and its related car and booking. Click on plus icon, select screen. Label it as Select Rental Agreement. Select Lookup from Components. Label it as Select Car. Field API name as Car. Object API name as Rental Agreement. Select Lookup from Components. Label it as Select Car Booking. Field API name as Booking. Object API name as Rental Agreement. Select Lookup from Components. Label it as Select Rental Agreement. Field API name as Rental Agreement. Object API name as Car Payment. Click on Done to close. Next, we fetch the related car records. Click on plus icon, select Get Records. Label it as Get Selected Rental Agreement. Get records of this object in this Select Rental Agreement as object. Filter Rental Agreement Records as Record ID equals to Select Rental Agreement.select Rental Agreement.re Code ID. Next, we fetch the related car records. Click on plus icon, select Get Records. Label it as Get Related Car. Get records of this object in this Select Car as object. Filter Car Records as Record ID equals to Select Rental Agreement.select Car.re Code ID. Next, we fetch the related car booking records based on the selections. Click on plus icon, select Get Records. Label it as Get Car Booking Record. Object as Car Booking. Filter Car Booking Records. Record ID equals to Select Rental Agreement.select Car Booking.record ID. Now, the user provides payment details including discount, advance amount, payment mode, and date. Click on plus icon, select Screen. Label it as Payment Details Input. Create Formula Variable. API name as base_amount. Data type as currency. Decimal places as 2. Formula as Get Car Booking Record. Total rental days, asterisk, Get Related Car. Daily. Rate. Click on Done to close. Select Display Text from Components. API name as base amount. Message, Car, Get Related Car. Name, Car Booking, Get Car Booking. Record.name, base amount, base_amount. Select number from components. Label it as discount. Select number from components. Label it as advance amount. Select picklist from components. Label it as payment mode. Scroll down to select choice check on input. API name as payment mode. Object as car payment. Data type as picklist. Field as payment mode. Select date from components. Label it as payment date. Click on Done to close. Next, we calculate the total amount to be paid after applying discount and any extra charges. Label as Calculate Total. Create a variable. API name as Total Payment. Data type as number. Decimal places as 2. Now we gone to create a formula variable. API name as Total Payment Formula. Data type as number. Decimal places as 0. Formula base_amount, extra charges, plus discount. Place set variable values as Total Payment equals to Total Payment Formula. We then display the final calculated payment amount to the user. Click on plus icon, select Screen. Label it as Display Total. Select Display Text from Components. API name as Total Amount Paid. Message, Total Amount, Total Payment Formula. Click on Done to close. Now we create the car payment record using all the collected data. Click on plus icon, select Create Records. Label it as Create Payment. How to set record field values as manually. Object as car payment. Set field values for the car payment. Advance amount as payment details input dot advance amount. Base amount as base_amount. Car booking as select rental agreement dot select car booking dot record ID. Car as select rental agreement dot select car dot record ID. Discount as payment details input dot discount. Final amount as total payment formula. Payment date as payment details input dot payment date. Payment mode as payment details input dot payment mode. Related agreement as select rental agreement dot select rental agreement dot record ID. Payment status as paid. Finally, we confirm the successful creation of the payment record. Click on plus icon, select Screen. Label it as Payment Confirmation. Select Display Text from Components. API name as Payment Success. Message, Payment Record has been created successfully. Click on Done to close. And that completes our Generate Car Payment flow. After running the Return Vehicle flow, now you can see that the payment done on car name Thar handled user input and created the final payment record all within a smooth, guided flow.